This oven-baked turkey teriyaki recipe takes about 30 minutes of active prep, plus 20 to 25 minutes of cooking time, with an additional 30 to 120 minutes for marinating, and serves 4 people. Get ready to enjoy juicy, tender turkey thighs, coated in a luscious, homemade teriyaki glaze bursting with sweet, savory, and aromatic notes of ginger and garlic. This Japanese-inspired favorite bakes effortlessly in the oven, delivering perfectly caramelized edges and a glossy finish that's irresistible over steamed rice. It's a crowd-pleasing dish that combines ease with incredible flavor, perfect for impressing family and friends. Let's now check the ingredients. 700 grams, 1.5 pounds, boneless turkey thighs or tenderloins, neutral oil or cooking spray for the rack. 2 scallions, thinly sliced. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. Shichimi togarashi, optional. Steamed Japanese rice, for serving, optional. 1/3 cup soy sauce. 1/3 cup mirin. 1/4 cup sake. 2 tablespoons sugar or honey. 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger. 1 small garlic clove, finely minced. 1 teaspoon cornstarch, mixed with 1 teaspoon cold water. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Gather all ingredients and tools. Pat the turkey dry with paper towels and trim any large pieces of fat. Lightly oil a wire rack that fits over a foil-lined baking tray. Make the teriyaki marinade. In a bowl, whisk together soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar or honey, grated ginger, and minced garlic until the sugar dissolves. Marinate the turkey. Place turkey in a resealable bag or shallow dish. Pour over the marinade, coat well, and refrigerate for 30 to 120 minutes, turning once halfway through. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with foil for easy cleanup and set the oiled rack on top. Prepare the glaze. Remove turkey from the marinade, letting excess drip back. Transfer all used marinade to a small saucepan. Boil the marinade. Bring it to a lively boil over medium-high heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Whisk in the cornstarch slurry and simmer 30 to 60 seconds until glossy and slightly thickened. Keep warm off heat. First bake. Arrange turkey pieces on the rack in a single layer. Bake for 10 minutes. Baste and continue. Brush turkey with hot teriyaki glaze. Flip, brush the other side, and bake 8 to 12 minutes more until nearly cooked through. Caramelize. Brush once more with glaze and switch the oven to broil/grill for 1 to 3 minutes, watching closely so the glaze bubbles and lightly chars at the edges without burning. Check doneness. The turkey is ready when the thickest part reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Brush with a final light coat of glaze if desired. Rest and slice. Transfer turkey to a cutting board. Tent loosely with foil and rest 5 to 10 minutes. Slice against the grain into thick strips. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds and sliced scallions. Add a pinch of Shichimi togarashi if you like gentle heat. Serve. Spoon slices over steamed Japanese rice and drizzle with extra glaze to taste. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.